of the filing of nominations witnessed 3 CUM members and 1 UDP candidate filing their nominations before the returning officers in East Khasi Hills district. Those who filed the nominations include Angela Rangat, Wanpinhun Kharsantiu and K. Perto from CUM and O.S. Jirwa from UDP. Speaking to reporters after filing of nomination, CUM member Angela Rangat said she is hopeful of a win as campaigning from the very beginning is based on certain values and principles. Meanwhile, UDP candidate O.S. Jirwa said it is time to strengthen the regional forces in the state to make them win and have the state's very own people governing the people and the state.
Because for us, our campaign from the very beginning has been based on certain principles and values, and we have been working hard. We have been trying to meet people, to talk about the need to start discussing issues, to start discussing our rights.
So I have been also serving in that constituency for a very long time. So it's a public support, it's a public appeal for us to come forward, so that we will be able to serve the people.